Welcome back. We're going to do fried wontons. We have about a half a pound of ground pork, our wonton wrappers. We'll start off mixing up the filling, our pork, and to that we're going to add some fresh ginger, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and then we'll go like that, and then crush the garlic. Put that right in. Some ginger. You don't need to peel it. Right in as well. A couple teaspoons of soy sauce. And mix that all in. You can use different ground meats, shrimp, tofu. Scrambled eggs actually can work. I will show you 3 different folds. Think about a baseball diamond. Put about a teaspoon of filling. You don't want to overfill. Then you're going to paint around the bases, just like that. We'll take home plate and we'll bring it right up to second base, and we'll squeeze it closed just like that. Let's do an intermediate fold. Starts the same way, about a teaspoon. Paint all the way around. Home plate, second base. We're going to wrap first base and third base right around my finger, and we're going to give it a little squeeze. And so you've got a little napkin fold. We're going to do an advanced fold here. It starts the same way. You're going to hold it kind of like a bandana. You're going to kind of push down in the middle, straight down. Then you're going to take the wings and you're going to just fold it straight up. Kind of like a tortellini. If you make them and let them sit for an hour or so that they dry out a little bit. Here we have oil. It's at 375. And while that's heating up, let's make some homemade duck sauce. We're going to take equal parts crushed pineapple and applesauce and a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar. And I'm using balsamic vinegar. You could use rice vinegar, you could use cider vinegar. Make this ahead of time to give the brown sugar a chance to dissolve. So you can see that's really heating up. And we'll put just one in just to test it. Browns it pretty quickly in 10 or 15 seconds. So turn that over. There you go. So that didn't take very long to cook. A couple more. You can also use a slotted spoon. So I'll take one of these, dip that right in. So there you have it, deep fried wontons. We'll see you next time.